This is how they make the boats, made of fiberglass, right there. And then the engine, guys, the propulsion,
Look,
jet propulsion engine.
one of the most important secret about the fiberglass that if the fiberglass is handed up good, if the fiberglass is made up good quality, so you have a surface and with a piece of metal, when you hit on a glass, fiberglass surface, must give a glass sound.
Oh, okay.
If the glass sound came out, that means the fiberglass composite is very quality, very good,
very good
strong,
quality.
okay?
But if
So,
it's
and another thing, okay, and the people can see this video, they watch the video, and they can ask experts, okay? And the question is, I'm asking to people, they must ask expert, how we did it, the fiberglass applications like that without leaking down.
oh, okay.
Normally the big factor is they have molds.
Moldings.
But they got a big around legs on around of the mold. So what they do, they're turning around the both side and the left side. So they're bringing the side down, and the application may be application because they cannot stop the leaking. But just look at that. There is no leaking.
Oh,
How we did it? That's know-how.
Ah, okay.
That's our secret.
That's their secret.
Yes.
Okay, that's why.
That's our secret. Because we are working the fiberglass almost 30 years.
I see.
Almost
Okay.
30 years. So we know the fiberglass very well. And this is not the normal fiberglass also. You cannot find this fiberglass in anywhere in Philippines. And the people are going to call this fiberglass like unsaturated. And, But
okay.
I'm asking them, just tell me the type, what type of fiberglass? They said that unsaturated. Unsaturated is not a type. Unsaturated is a color.
Color.
It's meaning colorless. All the fiberglass are colorless. So
Okay.
why are you saying that common characteristic like a special type? It's not. The type is two. Isophthalic or orthophthalic. The orthophthalic resin cannot be used for both. But the whole market is selling orthophthalic resin.
Okay.
An orthophthalic resin can seem gray, not yellow. This is yellow. You can see
Yes,
yellow.
yes.
Because
Yellow.
it is isophthalic resin for sea environment.
Mm.
So this boat will have a long life.
Yeah.
Something around like a 20 years life will have. Okay, and we are specifically controlling and checking the quality of this material.
Okay. That is really good information, Eddie.
It's
Thank
a pleasure. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, guys, we are entering the boat where they are making a catamaran boat. Here with me is Eddie. Eddie, he is the chief engineer in making this boat, guys. So it is made of pure fiberglass, right, Eddie? Is it made of pure fiberglass?
There's a pure fiberglass. It's not. Boat is not made up by wood and the cover with the fiberglass. It's a pure fiberglass.
Pure fiberglass.
There's no wood inside, because the wood inside of the fiberglass is not good.
Oh, it's not
And
good.
it's getting rotten and getting much problems. Okay, and we do not do that. But actually, this is about 11 meters long and 5 meters wide, and actually it's a total 110 square meter house.
Oh, okay.
With a double engine and water jet propulsion. It means no propellers, no rudders. Water jet propulsion is a new technology, edge technology of this boat powering systems. And with this boat, you can anchor anywhere, and you can live inside with the family, and you can have a beautiful, have fun and travel, and you can make a fishing, even trading. Or if you want, we can redesign everything for a passenger system, and you can carry something around 50 passengers with this boat. And this boat is more or less 30 knots speed. It will make 30 knots speed,
30
which
knots
is very
speed.
good. That mean it mean
What is it in
this
kilometers?
boat can go from here to Manila in 4 hours time.
What is in 30 knots in kilometers? 60 kilometers?
Yeah, 60 kilometers.
Oh,
yes.
okay. And this boat can park in shallow waters. Shallow waters because there's no propeller.
Yes. But yeah, the boat draft, like a water level is very short, like a 1 feet. So there is no propeller, no rudder, and there is nothing will be stuck on a coral or sand or something. So the boat can go anywhere, and very shallow water, like among the corals or among the sands or the sandbanks or something.
Okay.
And it will be very successful boat. But actually, we will sell anybody. We will send anybody the complete design of this boat. Okay?
Right.
And this is like really looks excellent and a good one.
And the
that
engine.
is the hull now. Okay, and you can see. And now at the moment we designed this one as a leisure boat.
Leisure boat.
Because the customer of this owner of this boat wants for leisure use. But we can redesign this boat for any purpose. Like if somebody wants to carry cargos, they can use it. Like the one of the be good business in Ilocos North, carrying a cargo from Laoag or from Santa Ana to Batanes Islands.
Okay.
And, that's a very big, very good business. If anybody invests the money on this line, they can make a lot of money.
Okay.
Because the Batanes, a lot of people, and the weather are so bad, and the people cannot go there easily. We made this boat high because you can see the boat sides are at the moment nearly 2.5 meters high. And there will be another 70 centimeters high also. We made this so high because this boat is actually designed for high waves.
Okay. And the engines are diesel engines.
Of course, diesel. Yeah,
Diesel.
of course, diesel. It's 1,500 RPM diesel engine, and each of them 150 HP horsepower. Is a total 300 horsepower power in this boat. And this boat with this horsepower and the water level and like something around 20 people loaded and like a fully house or something, it will make 30 knots speed.
30 knots speed.
30 knots, we can say 30 knots is the top speed, but they are not going to accelerate the engine top speed. They're going to accelerate the engine like a 70% cruising speed.
Okay.
And this is going to be 25 knots.
25 knots.
24, 25 knots, which is already very good.
Okay. And the good thing about this boat, guys, is the engine is inboard.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Outboard engine I never use on my boats because the outboard engine, many defects, like one, is very expensive. The second, maintenance are very expensive. And the parts and something like that is expensive and very hard to find it.
Oh,
and,
I see.
The outboard engines are, another thing is outboard engines has got a very high consumption.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And most of the outboard engines are gasoline, and like a drinking gasoline. And if you want to go somewhere like a 20 miles closer, and you have to pay in a Filipino currency like 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 pesos fuel, and you will go and come back, and which is very expensive, and it makes the person bitter, and it makes the person like annoyed. It's not nice.
Okay.
Nice, you know what I mean? Because
So
the
this
show off and the real pleasure is totally different. If somebody wants to show off, and they are so rich, they can put 4 or 5 outboards, and they can spend such a lot of money and for fuel, and they can show off. But we are not targeting the show off people. We are targeting
the leisure.
Yeah, normal people like who wants to have a real and good life, and who wants to spend like average limited money for their holidays or something like that. And this is the best holiday. Why? You know what? My best pleasure is taking a boat like that and they're going to five-star hotel beach in front of the five-star hotel
yes.
and anchoring there.
And anchoring the
And
boat.
so you know what happens? The guy who's staying in the five-star hotel, they're watching us, and they are getting jealous.
Yes.
Because they are paying such a lot of money in the five-star hotel, but we are staying there free. You know? Because the sea is free. Sea is everybody's.
In the waters.
Yeah, the water is everybody's water. So what happens? They swim and come to us, okay, then we say that, oh, you're welcome to board, and we take them and we give them a drinks and a liquor or something, and we chat, and they get upset.
And then,
why upset? Because we are free, and they are paying such a lot of money there, okay?
Oh, that's really good. Okay, that's really good.
Something like that.
Yes.
Like if you have a boat, you can go anywhere in the world, and no one can stop you.
There, because you can park anywhere.
Yeah. This is the swordfish. You can go anywhere.
In the water. Okay, this is really good interview. Oh.
Start.
Okay.
I just want to talk about the new design of our boat, and the design is finished. And actually, this boat we made for fishing purpose, and this boat is going to be on a trailer as well. But now you can see this boat, and you can take the picture from close by. Okay, and let me I show you more. Now take it again, please. Okay.
Okay.
And now you can see three boats, like trimaran.
Oh, okay.
Actually, that's a traditional Filipino banca.
Okay, this one, this design.
Yeah, like that one is. This one is like a middle hull, like a hull, a big one, and these ones are like outriggers. But we don't have any connection problems between hull and outriggers, because we already solved up the problem. Because the Filipino people psychologically always they are seeking like a pump boat or banca boat on a sea to feel safe.
Yes.
To feel safe.
That's why they put.
When they step on a banca, and if the banca has got the outriggers, the people feeling themselves safe. So that's why we made it like that. But what happened? This boat is give us a beautiful characteristic that this boat going to make a high speed as well.
Oh,
so
okay.
We are hitting two birds with one stone. So we are making a traditional banca with the water jet propulsion, and we're going to put inside a 50 horsepower inboard engine instead of outboard engine here. So this boat is going to make something around like maybe 40 knots speed.
Yeah. What about the price range? Price range.
The price, I cannot tell you the price now, but
Yeah. How about
estimate?
Estimate.
Something around maybe 400,000.
Oh, wow, that's a really good price for a boat that is high speed.
Yeah.
With jet propulsion.
Yes, but the boat is 4.5 meters.
Yes.
Like how much is that? 20, something around 18 feet.
18 feet. Yeah. That is for recreation and fishing.
But that is our testing design.
Okay.
If any request comes, this boat can be something around like 28 feet also.
Oh, I see.
We can increase to 28
28.
feet. We can make this size boat for any size.
What about the width?
This boat is width is 2.4 meters.
2.4 meters. So about
4.5 meters long, 2.4 meters wide.
I see. Okay.
8 feet.
8 feet.
8 feet.
Yeah.
That is good. That's already big.
Somewhere around like 8 square meter.
Okay. Okay, done.
Okay.
The lens now is better.
Now I'm using design. I'm using this software for the design, and that software is one of the most difficult and important boat designing program.
Okay.
And this software also used by United States Navy.
I see.
So this software helps us calculate all hydrodynamic, hydrostatic equations and everything. So we are doing something successfully, and we are testing the boat before made up. We are testing speed, resistance, and
buoyancy,
balances like a traversal balance, longitudinal balance, and high, and what the effect during the waves. All these things. Okay, we are testing, and then after that, when the design is finished, and then they are making it, starting to make it. Like I can show you now,
Okay.
like this boat, and now if you can see it on a close page, now at the moment we already put all the sections on a boat, and these sections, all these sections can give us the each and every, like each and every,
Oh, measurement. All measurement.
yeah,
All
all the measurements and everything. And then after that, when I finish the plan, I transfer to all this data to my supervisor, and the supervisor with the workers, they start to build up. They build up necessary wooden molds, and then after that they start to build up the pure fiberglass boat. And so accordingly, I control and I consult my supervisor according to plan, and we, as a team, we successfully make the boat.
Okay, let me ask.
I can say exactly that. Actually, we are like a tailor.
Oh,
like
yes,
a tailor.
yes.
We can design any kind of boat, any size, to anybody with any material. If you want to make us boat by wood, we can make it. But the wood in the Philippines is going to be very expensive, and it's not going to be accepted by Marina too, because of they want to protect the trees, whatever.
Yes.
And, if you want to make us the boat by steel, we can make it steel perfectly fine, no problem. We have all the facility, and we are very qualified welders and the welder fitters as well. And if you want to make a fiberglass, and we are fiberglass expert also, as you've seen, we can build up. Even we can build up the boat from concrete.
From concrete? Wow.
But
Wow.
of course, we are using a special concrete, and we are putting a special mats, in the concrete, and we can make it. Surely, of course, the boat is going to be more heavy, but it's going to be the cheapest boat, and it's going to be the cheapest maintaining the boat.
Yes,
if you hit a rock coral, and if you open a hole on the boat, all you will do, you will just use a cement.
Put the cement.
Concrete like a house, like a boat section. You cover, maintain the boat.
Okay.
But unfortunately, I'm joking, I'm kidding now. I do not recommend the concrete boat to anyone.
I see.
Because it's quite dangerous, because it's very heavy, and the smallest thing, like something goes wrong smallly, and the boat can sink very easily.
Okay. And also, to tell you, Eddie uses a special software to compute all the buoyancy, and then
Buoyancy, balances, and effect of the waves.
Effect of the waves.
And the another thing is, boat on a sea, it works like that. Like it works like this. Okay?
Yeah.
It works like this by the wave. And because so actually the boat in the water, something like a wire, you are just bending and straightening up, bending up, straightening up, bending and straightening up.
Yes.
And how many times you can bend and straighten up the wire?
Yes.
If you make it 20 times, it already breaks.
Yes.
So how long do you expect the boat must be bended, something like that?
And this included in the computation?
For sure.
Oh,
That is what we are calling engineering. That is why we are calling engineering. That's the life. Because the sea is not a joke. The sea is very serious environment. And if us engineers made a mistake, so it costs life.
And to tell you guys, Eddie survived in the ocean for 10 hours swimming by himself. Yeah, right? And Apo.
Hi.
Apo survived on the ocean for 10 hours. Okay, thank you, Eddie. Yeah, okay. Thank you, Eddie.
Thank you too.
Okay.